You are gorgeous.
Thank you. Yes. Yeah.
Looking good. Looking exotic. Looking exotic. What? I actually love it. Hold on, take that wrong.
Alright.
Are you serious?
The hair is bomb, okay? The color is hitting on my skin. You said it was gonna look good on my skin, and you ate that.
Kia, what do you think?
So we gonna
I
give
really
her.
think this is fire.
We gonna give her a side part.
You're gonna change it to a side part?
Yeah, she'll look cute with the side
Come on, sugar daddy Moyo. He gonna make the girls happy. Come to Hair Queen, he gonna make
How
them
about
happy.
you to be happy?
Period.
Thanks for actually trying the next though.
Thank
Personally, I thought that looked nice. And you guys let me know if I'm tripping. Because I think that looked very nice. You kept the
part.
rolling.
This one, like all.
But yeah.
You wanna check up close for Hannah?
God, you are gorgeous.
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah.
See
Y'all
this?
see what's going on. See what's going on.
Looking good. Icy. Icy.
Icy. That's the caption.
Don't play. And we're about to get the little photo shoot on this side. Alright, cool. So basically we're gonna use this one as the final look outro. There you have it, guys. Dreezy, how do you feel?
I feel like a very.
You are about it.
Yes.
So today Dreezy came in, she got her hair done, her makeup, and now she's looking voila.
Like big dreams, period.
How do you feel about the colors? I know earlier you were kind of like, you didn't want to do it
I was
now.
scared, but it honestly looks so good. You called it. You said it was gonna look good on my skin, and it's popping.
It's popping 100%.
Yeah, I can walk in the room. I got on a chill outfit right now, but my hair is doing the top.
No, for sure. You're looking stunning. And again, my name is Big Mo Exotic. Thank you for coming in. You guys make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you want to look like Dreezy. You know where to go. HairQueen LA. 5363 on Wilshire. And my name is Big Moyo. Let's go. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go.